5 gabay para sa masayang buhay. The first one is free your heart from hatred. Magpatawad ka, huwag ka magtatanim ng sakit ng loob. The second is free your mind from worries. Marami tayong mga takot sa buhay, hindi naman lahat yan magkakatotoo. Third is to free ourselves from greed and selfishness. Matuto tayong makontento sa buhay, matuto tayong magbigay, dahil mas nakaka-bless ang taong mapagbigay. Fourth is, you must free yourself from other people's expectations. Kailangan nating tanggapin, hindi lahat ng tao magugustuhan tayo. Pero dapat, wag nating ikisama ng loob yun. Not everybody will love you, but that's okay. Accept that, be happy. And number 5, we must free ourselves from sin.
Panginoon, salamat sa bagong umaga na iyong ipinagkaloob. Sa bawat sinag ng araw, hatid mo ang kapayapaan at pag-asa. Patnubayan mo kami sa bawat hakbang ngayong araw at bigyan ng kalakasan ng aming puso't isipan. Pawiin mo ang takot at pangamba at palitan ito ng pagtitiwala at kapanatagan sa iyo. Amen.
Naniniwala ba kayo dun sa idea na stay genuine because tables will always turn? Na kahit gaano man kalupit at kasama sa'yo ang mundo, dahil naging mabuti ka, dahil naging totoo ka, darating at darating yung point na ikaw naman ang nasa ibabaw. Na kahit super effort yung iba para ibaba ka, wala silang magagawa kasi aangat at aangat ka. Hindi dahil lang ginusto mo lang, pero dahil dun ka dapat. Kasi naging mabuti ka. Naniniwala talaga ako dun sa idea na always remain humble and never look down on anyone. Nasa taas ka man ngayon, but you will never know where the life may take you next. Kaya remember to always be kind and genuine. As God blesses you, be a blessing to others also. Okay?
In life, you don't meet people by accident. Every connection has a purpose. Some bring lessons, teaching you something you need to grow. Others are blessings, adding light and joy to your journey. Every encounter, whether brief or lasting, shapes who you are. Embrace the lessons, cherish the blessings, and remember, each person you meet is part of your story for a reason.